Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. In this video, we're taking a look at the TradeDesk.com. The Trade Desk is a demand-side platform, a DSP, that provides a self-service interface for advertisers to buy digital media programmatically. This essentially means they offer a powerful toolset for managing and optimizing ad campaigns across various channels, including display, video, native, audio, connected TV, CTV, and digital out-of-home, DOOH. It's designed to empower advertisers to target specific audiences with precision, reaching potential customers across a vast network of websites and apps. One of the key advantages of the Trade Desk is its data-driven approach. They leverage extensive audience data to enable highly targeted advertising, helping you reach the right people at the right time. This can lead to improved campaign performance and a greater return on investment, ROI. Through detailed analytics and reporting, the Trade Desk offers valuable insights into campaign effectiveness, allowing for data-informed adjustments and continuous optimization. The platform itself is known for its user-friendly interface and robust features. It allows for granular control over campaign parameters, including budgeting, bidding strategies, and creative assets. This level of control gives advertisers the flexibility to tailor their campaigns to specific objectives and target audiences effectively. Furthermore, the Trade Desk integrates with numerous other marketing technologies, streamlining workflows and enabling seamless campaign management. Whether you're a seasoned marketing professional or just starting out, the Trade Desk offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help you achieve your advertising goals. Their commitment to innovation and data-driven insights makes them a leading player in the programmatic advertising landscape. If you're looking to take your advertising campaigns to the next level, definitely check out the TradeDesk.com. You can find the link in the description below.